So hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So guys, one question that was coming to us over the mails and even in the comment box was, what are our plans for the marathon sessions? Because marathon sessions were really helpful for the students in the phase 1 examination. We have received some mails and I'm really glad to see the things that you have mentioned here is many of the students have said कि सर marathon बहुत ज़्यादा helpful था for the phase 1 examination and clearing the phase 1 examination. Similarly, guys, the team is putting a really hard effort for that also because पहले marathons पे भी काफी effort लगाए थे. Now for the second marathons, yes, we are starting the marathon sessions and that is not delayed नहीं है, कल से ही आपके marathon session start है. Yes, that is from 17th of October. Your marathon sessions will be started. So I will be talking to the faculties also who will be basically taking these marathon sessions with you. ठीक है, but before that guys, a very important thing for you is that is this guidebook that we have prepared for you. So आपको कोई भी डाउट है regarding the sources that needs to be that you should follow for your preparation, the important thing 6-step formula is being given here. ठीक है, 6-step formula दिया गया जिससे आप अपनी प्रेपरेशन को किस तरह एनहांस कर सकते हो, किस तरह इस एग्जाम को क्लियर कर सकते हो. इट इज बीइंग मेंशन्ड हियर. Also, all the details about NABARD has also been given. जिसके लिए आप काफी वीडियो सर्च करते हो, you do not have to search these things. Everything is given here in this guidebook. And the most important thing is it is absolutely free. You do not have to pay even a single penny. It is absolutely free. ठीक है, तो जल्दी जल्दी आपको करना क्या है, the link for downloading this guidebook is given in the description below and you can download this guidebook absolutely free. Now coming to your marathon sessions guys, ठीक है, so your marathon sessions will be starting from 17th of October and it will be conducted till 21st of October. तो आप दिवाली भी मना सकते हो, मैराथन करो, रिवीजन करो और फिर दिवाली मनाओ. ठीक है, चलिए. Now important thing to note here is timing. So timing here will be guys 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. ठीक है, and here we have mentioned the topics which will be conducted in your marathon. ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट स्कीम सेशन will be taken by me, the report section I will be taking. ठीक है, तो इसमें हम लोग जितनी भी इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं, talking about schemes, reports, everything I will be covering here. And not only September and October, I will be covering the important schemes. ठीक है, when I talk about it will be covered from June to August. June to August तक जितनी भी important schemes है, be it ESI, be it ARD, I will be covering here. Then I will be covering the special ARD reports like livestock census, fourth advanced estimates, horticulture census, spice statistics at glance. ठीक है, नाबार्ड की एनुअल रिपोर्ट्स पर कुछ क्वेश्चंस हमें मिलेंगे, वो भी मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगा. Along with that, the other recent reports that have been released will also be discussed in this marathon session. Now, guys, talking about these sessions, that is ESI current affairs, ARD current affairs, and ARD static. I have with me the concerned faculty. ठीक है, first I will welcome, ठीक है, Kaushik sir. So he will be explaining you about the ESI current affairs. So over to you, Kaushik sir.
Thank you, sir. So guys, till now you will be done with your reports as well as the schemes. ठीक है, अब बारी आती है ESI current affairs की, which is once again a very important part for your NABARD grade A phase 2 exam. तो उसके लिए we have given a one session, but it is going to be a very impactful one क्योंकि इस session के अंदर I will be covering the ESI current affairs from the month of June to August. बट इसके साथ साथ आपके लिए एक एडिशनल एडवांटेज है क्योंकि इसके अंदर हम सितंबर टू 1st to 10th ऑफ अक्टूबर के ESI के सभी इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, जिसके अंदर सभी इंपॉर्टेंट बिल्स होंगी, सभी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोग्राम्स होंगे और जो गवर्नमेंट के इनिशिएटिव्स हैं उन सभी को बहुत ही कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव तरीके से कवर किया जाएगा और उनके ऊपर इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज जो कि आपको एग्जाम में देखने को मिलते हैं उन्हें कवर किया जाएगा. सो ऑल दैट विल बी डन इन जस्ट वन सिंगल सेशन. तो आफ्टर योर government schemes, after your special reports, now ESI current affairs will also be done and you are really going to ace the exam. And also in this particular section, now I would like to invite Ekta ma'am and she will be giving you that what exactly she will be covering in her upcoming sessions. So all over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. So hello everyone, I see you all have cleared phase 1 examination, now preparing for phase 2 examination. First of all, on 20th October, I will be conducting a session on your ARD current affair. Okay, now in this marathon what we will do, first of all we will specially focus on the recent current affair, that is from mainly September and October. Even in that, September October will be our main focus, but it is not like only these 3 months are important, so we will also focus from June to all the current affair leading to month of October. Okay, since we all know that in phase 1 आप थोड़ा सा पढ़ लीजिए हेडिंग एंड जस्ट रिमेंबर द अमाउंट, दैट विल बी ओके. बट व्हेन वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर phase 2, we should know, we should have information in a little depth. So in this marathon session, especially conducting the marathon session on ARD current affair, we will be discussing on not only the current affair but what's inside the current affair. We'll be comparing them to the last year's data. Okay, so that all will be done in your current affair, talking about the ARD phase. Now moving to the next class, that is about on 21st October we'll be taking your ARD static portion, and in the ARD static portion we all know that it will be covered in the form of objective. But we all know your ARD static portion hold a special weightage when we are talking about the descriptive paper. Here we all say out of 4 questions, usually you will see 3 questions, up to 3 questions only from the ARD static part. Okay, so this marathon will be covered in such a way that the information can be utilized in your descriptive part. In phase 1, for phase 1 marathon, we only focus, since there was more quantity of question, because we were focusing on the upper level information. But here the question you will see will not only be the upper level, you will see some depth to the question, so that you can prepare well for your descriptive exam as well. Okay, the information will be curated in such way that it will help you to write the answer also. So that was for the session. I hope you all will be present here. Now again I will invite Gurkirat sir, so he can inform you more.
Okay, so thank you, ma'am. I think one thing I can assure you is because Ekta ma'am is the favorite of the student. Yes. तो इन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा she is putting really hard work. ठीक है, she is putting really hard work also, and she is putting really efforts also to make this marathon great. She is being continuously discussing with me कि सर ARD descriptive का जो आपने एक सेशन दिया है स्टैटिक का, इसमें काफी चीजें और बतानी है. तो she will be, I know कि उन्होंने काफी ज्यादा रिसर्च किया. That's why she said कि you do not worry. Your descriptive questions can also be answered from this specific session. Guys, if we again say about this thing, the important thing that you have to note down is from tomorrow onwards at 4 p.m. you should be present here. Government schemes we have discussed in phase 1 also, but we will be discussing the other important government schemes also. That is from tomorrow onwards I will be there. Okay? Day after tomorrow I will be there for your report section. Then Kaushik sir will be there, and then your favorite Ekta ma'am will be there. Okay, so this was all from our side. And guys, now one thing, ठीक है, if you have liked the video, you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. ठीक है, जल्दी जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. और जितनी भी मैराथन होंगी उसकी PDF आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल में मिल जाएगी, बिल्कुल फ्री. आपको करना क्या है, टेलीग्राम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. Now, one thing I want from all of you is you have to tell us in the comment box that yes, we will rock and we are ready. Yes. So tell us in the comment box that how you are prepared for your marathon. So tell us that we will rock and we are prepared. Okay, so let's see how many of you comment us this thing. ठीक है, and start preparing. ठीक है, तो कल से मिलते हैं आपको आपकी मैराथन में. ठीक है, still guys कोई भी डाउट है इसके अलावा भी तो you could drop us an email at hello@edutap.co.in, or you could even have a call with us on this number, that is 8146207241. So मेरी तरफ से और एकता मैम की तरफ से, ठीक है जी, we wish you all the best and we will see you in the marathon. Okay guys, bye bye.